Hey guys, I'm showing you this Crave USA Samsung Galaxy A53 case. So as you can see, this comes in nice pack, and this one is for the new A53. So A53 have 3 camera set in between, and you can see the diamond cut and this 2-piece set here that I will show you. So these are 2-piece. One is a silicone one, flexible, and the PC one out on the outer layer. And I'm just getting this new A53 that I can show you how you can just use it. This one, and here it goes. So the back cover, I just put it first, and it really fits very well around these corners. And this is the plastic case that goes on top of it. So here, like, the buttons are working really nice, and you can see from the corner there is a little bump to protect the screen. From all the sides it fits really well, and the buttons are working fine on and off. And then this is the volume button, and you can see that with the volume is going up and down with the press. All the ports for the charging and the speakers are on. So here, like, I'm trying to charge, and you can see the charging started. So it's a nice cover, protective one.